Okay, now we have reached the Canva design dashboard. The first thing we want to look into it is the text feature. At the text feature, we can add heading, add subheading, and add the normal text, as well as adding all the pre-made text available over Canva. Now, for demonstration purposes, we started by adding a headline. Once you amend the word you want, you can always rearrange to any section you want. You may also resize it, rearrange to the any alignment, any method that you want. After we satisfied with the position we want, the next thing we can look into it is on changing the font. Just click on the font section, and there is a lot of font for you to choose in Canva. For example, I would like to choose on this font. It will change immediately. Let's say this is not something that I want. I can change to this horizon font. It will change immediately. Apart from we can doing a resize from here, you can see when I pull in and out, the font size is automatically changes. So right now is 60.2. I can also change to smaller font via this section. I put it 30 and enter. It will become smaller. I can also do the changes of the font color. So take an example, I choose the blue color. So the font will change to become blue color. So the next feature is we want to try around the bold and italic. But for certain font, that is not allowed to change it bold or italic. Let's change our font to other font and take a look whether it allow to do the bold and italic. Right now I'm choosing copper headwidth, and we can see that I can click the bold. I can also click the italic. The following feature is the alignment. We can set the alignment to left, right, or center. We can also make it as a list by clicking this list feature. The following feature will be this spacing feature. For spacing feature, let me enlarge my font to have a better understanding on the feature. To set the spacing, we can change the spacing. You can see when you put it into larger spacing, there is a differences of the effect. And we can also choose the line spacing as well. Adjust until you satisfied with the spacing. So now we have learned how to adding a text into our Canva design dashboard. Let's take a look on by adding a subheading. The subheading will be approximate like font size 44. We can also add a bit smaller of the body size. This one will be at 30. And let's take a look on how can we add the pre-made text and do the amendment. Scroll down to find the font that you want. For example, this is the one I want. I can just click on it. It will be shown over here. I can just rearrange the section and do the amendment. If the font is too large, you can always do the amendment by adjusting it. So now we have learned how to adding a text and also the pre-made text into our design.